Hello everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to add your services to your profile. We go in the page of e-Buoyancy.s where there is the marketplace is under construction, and we go in the locker on the left, and then we put our name and our password and we go in. As soon as we are in, we're going to change the language, so we're going to put in the English option. And then we go into my account. Go to Service Profile Dashboard. And here we go to Services. In here we go to Add New Service. And here we are. In here we put the service name, for example, manicure. Here we upload a picture. Then we put the price, for example 70, and here if I wanna put an offer, we put the here e-Buoyancy store, the category. Here we can find our category. In this case we put body care, beautician, and done. And here we put any tag we wanna describe our service and create and add new. So we can add all the services we want, we can add all the picture that we want. And is very easy and very quick, and that's it. Here we can add all the services in our profile.